Hello and welcome to Cloud Fox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara. As you know that we are discussing about how to secure our API using AWS API Gateway security features. We have total 4 ways to protect our APIs inside API Gateway. First, usage control using API key and usage plan. Second, access control using API Gateway resource policy. Third, eighth protection using AWS Web Application Firewall. Fourth, authentication and authorization using Identity and Access Management, Cognito, and Lambda Authorizer. Out of these 4, we have already discussed about user control and access control. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about eighth protection, authentication, and authorization. So, let's start. I'm going to start with eighth protection using AWS WAF. WAF means Web Application Firewall. So let's start with introduction. Eighth protection secure the API at the entry point before any request reaches to API gateway. Means you're going to get layer of the protection before request coming to the API gateway, which is kind of the highest level of security. It helps protect APIs from malicious and unwanted internet traffic. This protection is provided using AWS WAF. AWS having 200 plus services. Why they have all these services? Because AWS is saying that from building your application to run your application to secure your application, we are actually providing you each and every services. Now here we are using WAF, means another AWS service to protect our API. Now WAF is a layer 7, it is OSI layer 7 security to protect your application. So if you are going to use WAF here, our API gateway will get layer 7 security. Now why we needed this? Why we are going to integrate WAF with AWS API Gateway? Here we have list of the attacks protected through the WAF. So if you are going to integrate your WAF with API Gateway, you will get protection against all these attacks like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, malicious IP addresses, and bad bots and automated attacks. Basically, we can say that these are the features of Web Application Firewall. And then we are going to integrate Web Application Firewall with our API Gateway. We are actually protecting our API Gateway with all these attacks. Here I have exam tip as well. AWS WAF works at layer 7 and blocks the request before API execution. So if you want OSI layer 7, means application layer protection for your API Gateway, you can use 8 protection using Web Application Firewall. Now, I just explained you this theoretically. We are not going to perform lab of this. Why? Because we will talk about WAF in upcoming days. WAF not covered in our course till yet. So if I am going to perform lab about WAF, you will be in trouble and you are not able to understand all the options. So what we have decided, when we will learn WAF, at that time, we will protect our API gateway using WAF. So at that time, it would be very easy for you to understand the entire process, right? So no practical for eighth protection using AWS WAF right now. In upcoming days, definitely we will perform lab of this. Now, let's talk about another protection, which is authentication and authorization using IAM, Cognito, and Lambda authorization. Now look, here they are actually providing us 3 options: IAM, Cognito, and Lambda Authorizer. So we have this confusion in mind that, okay, I want to use authentication and authorization, but which option would be suitable for my application requirement, right? So that's why I have provided you crystal clear comparison between all these 3 options so you can easily understand that, okay, which option should I use to protect my application. Here I am going to start with introduction. Authentication and authorization decides who can access the API and what they are allowed to do. Here you are going to authenticate using username and password. Now once you authenticate, then you have a limited set of authorization rule which is deciding which option you can access. API Gateway supports multiple ways to control access based on type of user or application. This is implemented using another 3 AWS services, IAM, Cognito, and Lambda Authorizer. Now here we have comparison. I'm going to start with IAM first. Who uses it? AWS services and IAM user. You have your API gateway, and your API gateway is actually getting all the requests from AWS itself. Means sender or requester is basically IAM user or AWS service. In this case, you can use IAM as an authentication and authorization tool. Main purpose, secure AWS to AWS access, authentication type, AWS credentials, and as you know that IAM authorization can be done through the IAM policy. So once user will be authenticated, what user can access can be decided using IAM policy. IAM not supporting OAuth 2.0. JWT token is also not supported by IAM. Social login, Facebook, Google not supported. External identity provider, like I want to provide authentication using Active Directory or another source of authentication. It is not possible through the IAM, so no. Custom authentication rule not supported. Typical use case for internal AWS APIs. And keep this in mind in the exam. If you are getting this word sign V for signing, then the answer is always IAM authentication and authorization tool. Now let's talk about Cognito.